Let's begin by understanding what the AICPA Code of Professional Conduct is. It's a formal set of ethical guidelines that all certified public accountants, or CPAs, are expected to follow. These guidelines are created and maintained by the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, which we refer to as AICPA. Now, who must follow this code? All AICPA members, whether they're in public practice, private companies, government positions, education, or nonprofit roles, everyone must comply. The AICPA Code includes three key components that we'll explore in detail. 1. Principles. 2. Rules. 3. Interpretations. Each one serves a different purpose in guiding professional behavior. Let's talk about principles. These are the foundation of the AICPA Code. Think of them like the ethical mission statement for CPAs. These principles set the ideal goals for how a CPA should behave, honestly, professionally, and in service to others. Now, important point here, principles are not enforceable by law or regulation. Instead, they offer moral direction. They help a CPA decide what the right thing to do is. There are 6 main principles. 1. Responsibilities. CPAs must act with sensitivity to the public interest. 2. Public interest. They should act in a way that serves society, not just their clients. 3. Integrity. Always be honest and trustworthy. 4. Objectivity and independence. Avoid bias and stay free from conflicts of interest. 5. Due care. Keep up with professional standards and improve your skills. 6. Scope and nature of services. Only offer services that are consistent with these principles. Now let's move from principles to rules. Unlike principles, which are idealistic, rules are enforceable. They are specific requirements that must be followed. If a CPA breaks a rule, they could face disciplinary action or even be removed from the AICPA. Here are some key examples of AICPA rules. Independence rule. If you're auditing a client, you must be independent, no personal or financial ties. Integrity and objectivity rule. Always remain honest and unbiased in all situations. General standards rule. Perform work with competence, due care, planning, and supervision. Compliance with standards rule. Follow the standards set by bodies like the AICPA or the Financial Accounting Standards Board, FASB. Discreditable rule. Don't engage in actions that could harm the reputation of the profession, like cheating on the CPA exam or committing fraud. Let's now cover the third component of the code, interpretations. Interpretations are explanations or expansions that help CPAs apply the rules in complex or unusual situations. They're issued by the AICPA's Professional Ethics Executive Committee, which we call PEAC. These interpretations help answer questions like, can I provide bookkeeping services to a client I also audit? What if a close family member owns shares in my audit client? In short, interpretations take the rules and add context, clarity, and examples so CPAs can make informed decisions even in gray areas. To wrap up, the principles set the ethical tone, what we aim for. The rules are specific behaviors CPAs must follow or face penalties. The interpretations help CPAs apply those rules in real situations. Together, they form the full AICPA Code of Professional Conduct, which protects the public and upholds the reputation of the accounting profession. Understanding and following this code is not just for passing the CPA exam, it's at the heart of being a trusted CPA.